Today I'll be reviewing my portable wheelchair ramp. First and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could go ahead and give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. I went ahead and unboxed it. I actually took it out of the box and it comes pretty much assembled. The only one thing that is included is the little wheel. So I have not attached it yet, but the little wheel does go attached to this front part right here. The wheel just makes it easier to go ahead and roll around and transport it easily. But as you can see here, it does have handles. So it's very, very easy to carry. And it does have a handle right here and one on the side. You also get this lock key right here. This is just going to prevent it from sliding open. So this is going to go ahead and keep it locked in place. And then you would just attach it to this ring. I'm going to go ahead and remove this just to show you what it looks like once it's open. So you can see it's pretty simple for it to come out. As you can see, this is what it looks like open. Here it does have these little guardrails and it is black and yellow, some reflective stickers just to show you to make sure that you're going to go ahead and put your wheelchair between these two. It does have a non-slip grip on both sides. Now here on the bottom, it does have an extension. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like sideways. This is to ensure that the wheelchair does not have any issues going up the ramp. All right, let's go ahead and test it out. As you can see, I placed the wheelchair ramp leading in to the home. This is perfect for any curbs, stairs, or steps. When you're done, simply fold it up. Ensure you place your lock key. This is just going to prevent it from sliding open, and just like that, you can go ahead and easily store it away. The great thing is that it has such a nice sleek design, so this will basically fit anywhere. Overall, if you're looking for a great quality wheelchair ramp, definitely check this one out.